Hey, this is Karanda with Carvel Digital and Working Websites, and in this video I'm going to show you how to capture your screen using Use Loom, which is a free tool that allows you to do screen capture and video sharing. This is really useful because when you're sending support requests or you're trying to communicate something that's happening on your screen and someone isn't right there with you, it is super useful to be able to actually show people what you're talking about and will greatly speed up your communication. So I'm going to let you know that I have actually never used this tool, so I'm starting from scratch just like you will be, and I'm going to walk through it. I actually have another tool that I've used for many years to do this, but I'm choosing this one because it's totally free, and I know that software subscriptions can add up when you're running your business. So I'm here on the useloom.com page, and I'm going to click login. And I am going to sign up because I don't have an account. I always prefer to sign up with email. Great, that worked. I always prefer to just use email and password logins rather than connecting services to other services, because if I stop using that service, then how will I log in? Okay, so I'm going to use this for work. And now I'm going to install the Chrome extension. All right, so now I'm in, and it looks like there's a video here that you can watch to learn how to use this. And now we have our icon here, which is our Chrome extension, which is how we start recording a video. In the options here, you can use your screen and the camera. So you can see there's a little camera bubble here. You can use just the screen only, or you can use just the camera, in which case you'll get a full-sized video image, not just a little circle. So I'm going to do screen and camera, and now we can choose between recording the whole desktop or just a certain tab, and then audio is off by default, but we can turn that on. And in the advanced options, we can choose the camera and we can choose the microphone. So I'm going to hit start. And now I'm recording in Loom. So let's say I wanted to do a quick tutorial and teach someone how to update their plugins and themes in WordPress. I could come over here, I could record my screen, I could say, hey, choose your plugin, click the update button. Or if you were sending a support request of some kind, you could go in and you could recreate the steps that lead to an error, and you can talk through that, and then you can finish your recording and you can send that off. So let's say that I'm done with my recording. I'm going to go back to my tab here, and then we can cancel, we can pause. If we pause, then there's a box that comes up, and then you can start the recording by just clicking into this box, and then you can finish. And there's a couple of that hides or shows the menu. So once you finish the recording, you can opt to get notified if someone actually watches your video. So I'll go ahead and turn that on. And then you can give your video a name. And you can test out your video. I think because I chose single tab, it didn't actually click over when I was in the other WordPress tab. So that's something to note. But when your video is ready to share, you can go ahead and copy this link, and then you can paste that link anywhere that links can be pasted. Email, Slack, Facebook, chat windows, and you can go ahead and send your visual communication. So I hope that helps, and that you're able to quickly spin up videos and shorten the back and forth by using this technique. It's really great for customer support. It's really great for tutorials like this one here. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like my content in general, you can go over to carveldigital.com and you can subscribe to get notifications whenever I produce new content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.